So now we've talked about why you should start. The next thing is where you should start from. And I want to just take my time to explain this to you guys. It is called niching down. It is called niche. Choosing a niche. How do you want to start? What do you want to focus on? You can't just be the same guy that do female clothes and do male clothes. You will just be all around everywhere. People will not know you for the specific things in which you do. You will not have a niched customer that will call you when they need you. You can do this, you can do that, you can do almost everything a normal tailor can do. You do bag, you do shoe, you do. Just focus on one thing. So niching down. The first thing is, what do you want to do? Do you want to do only males wear? Do you only want to focus on male? Or you want to focus on female? Or you want to focus on children? So now I'm going to use only male. If you want to focus on male, do you want to focus on the traditional side? Or you want to focus on English side? Though as of now that I'm making this video, I do both. I do both English and I do traditional. And I do suit. I do those three, but only male. I do all type of male outfits: traditional, English, and suit. That is my own niche. You could decide to just only work with English. That is niching down totally. You could decide to only focus on suits. That is also niching down totally. But based on the country that I am, I have to do a niche down, like a surface niching, which is male. I only do male outfits. I don't do female. I'm only niching down to male outfits. So if you want to do only female, you can just do only English wear for female. Or you can just do Owambe for female. You make your money. That is 100% niching down. So the first thing you have to do before getting into the business is to decide, what niche do I want to cover? Because the more you niche down, the easier it is to find customer. And I'm going to teach you all of this process. I'm going to teach you how to find your niche. I'm going to teach you how to find customer after you get your niche. And I'm going to explain all of this to you. But firstly, I need you to take your time, get yourself a pen and paper, and think about it. Who is my target audience? Who are my target consumer? Do you understand? You have to take your time and think about all this. Okay, as of now, what are you doing? Are you doing for male or you are doing for female? Currently, as of this time, who are your most customers? Are they male? Let's say you are doing both female work and male work. Who are the most customers that you have? Are they male or female? If your customers are just male, then you only have to focus on male customers. If your customers are female, then you just have to focus on female products and female ready to wear. It is easier to scale like that than to do both. So decide now. I'm not doing female clothes again. I only want to work with male clothes. Then you can niche down. You can start making ready to wear to them. You can start introducing them to. But I'm going to teach you all of this step by step. So first thing you have to do is just to niche down and decide on what you want to do. Male, female, or children. English traditional for male. English or traditional for male. English or traditional for female. English or traditional for children. You have to choose between each of them, or you can do both, but you have to niche down male, female, or children. That is it on niching down. So let's get to the next topic.